Hi, in this video I'll show you a demo of the MakerDAO budget tool and how this budget tool helps in contributing to the MakerDAO transparency. So the tool works with two types of spreadsheets. One is a sustainable ecosystem scaling type of spreadsheet, or in other words, template, or also strategic finance template. In this spreadsheet, a core unit, a facilitator from this core unit, inputs the expenses of the budget periods. So if we look at this spreadsheet right here, we can see that from row 8 and below, there are expenses registered under a certain month. These expenses clearly show the month, and then they put into categories such as forecast, estimate, actual, owed, paid, for example. And if we look at the strategic finance, it's quite similar. We also see that the core unit facilitator, or the person in charge, also inputs the expenses of a certain period into the spreadsheet. So once these spreadsheets are filled up for a certain period, the next steps are that for the tool to work, the facilitator, or the one in charge, needs to add some keywords, some tags on top of the columns titles. So in this case, we can see on column C, there's a keyword month that showcases the months of this period. So the tool needs to have these tags in place so it can read from the spreadsheet. So in this example, we see months here, we see category here that the tool needs to read categories, actual, transaction, and so on and so on. Now going back to the SES template, we see the same pattern here as well. So one needs to add these tags on top of the titles for the columns so that the budget tool can read. Once these tags are added, we open the budget tool. And once the user is authenticated, just like I am here, you are welcomed to this page. And once you're authenticated, you'll be able to see your own core unit name here. In this example, it's just an example core unit. So once you're done, next steps are for you to easily just input the required information so the tool can process the data. So what's needed is just a wallet name of the multi-sig wallet that the core unit is using and expensing the money from, the address of the wallet, and the actual spreadsheet link available. So in naming the wallet, one can choose freely how they want to name it. In our example, let's call it permanent team. And then the wallet address can be the chosen one here as well. And once we've done that, we copy the link of the spreadsheet. We go here, we paste it, and we click Add Sheet. Once that's added, our spreadsheet is registered in the tool, and the tool already has processed all the budget line items from the spreadsheet and prepared them for viewing, exporting, and uploading to the API. So as we can see here, we got the title of the spreadsheet as showcased here as well. We got the sheet name 2, and then we got the wallet address that we can click and open a new window. And then we got some action buttons that gives us some extra features. So if you click to MD, that means to mark down. And as you can see here, if I chose a markdown, I get an opportunity to choose the month available from the budget line items, and then choose the view. And the most important part of this view, it's this right here. This is a summary processed by the tool, which showcases us the totals of each category per type. So per forecast, estimate, actual, owed, difference, and paid. This can be used very easily by anyone to create the summaries. And once the summaries are created, you can easily just scroll down, copy this raw markdown text, and paste it in your output in the forum post or in a different file out of your choice. Besides this, we have two views, SES and strategic finance. Strategic finance view also shows you the current selected month, but also the next 3 months added. If we look at, for example, the month of May, we can see that in the strategic finance view, we can see actuals and forecasts of month of May, but also if there's any actuals added for the next month, we also see them, or forecasts. So for July and August, we see that there's already forecasts added predicting the expenses incoming for that period. So we can select the months again, which is very neat. And we can change the views as well, depending on our liking. Once this is done, we can also choose a to JSON format. This is an option for anyone who would like to play with these JSON objects in their own application or add them as well to their own tools if they like so. We have this available for them. Again, just choosing your month and you're good to go. And the last but not least, very important aspect of this tool is the ability for this tool to push these summaries, these kind of summaries, to the public API developed by SES. So once you go to the API right here, the API will, the tool will fetch any data from the API if there's existing. If it's not, we'll update it for you. So we choose the month, and once we choose the month, we click upload, and the tool tells us that, okay, the monthly statement of May has been uploaded to the API, plus its forecasts for the next couple of months. If you try to upload again for the same month, we can see that the data already has been uploaded to the API and it's up to date. No need to change it. So again, for June, we can upload this as well. Clearly done. If we recheck again, it's updated. July, same thing. Check again, updated. And August, upload. Great, uploaded. Check again, is up to date. So once these uploads are done, the budget summaries, these budget summaries, are uploaded to the API and ready for consumption either by third-party applications or by our own ecosystem dashboard portal, where we'll be able to see these summaries available for all of us. So to show you now in the API how that data is available, let's switch to our Apollo Studio, and I'm fetching this core unit example. And if I fetch it, you can see clearly the information being added. So this is one line item that showcases the month, and then the forecast and actual values and extra parameters that will be added and can be added by the tool later on. So as you can see, this is 1 month and everything under that month, and then we have the permanent team name of the wallet and our wallet address as well, and then under that we have all the line items pertaining to this monthly statement. So with this, we conclude the demo. And to finish, the same thing can be done either by this template or this template. So choose one or the other. If we choose the other one, the same process. One has to go here, write the name of the wallet, and then paste the address. Let's get the demo address. Go here, paste it, and get the link. Go back, paste it, add the sheet, and voila, another one has been added. So imagine if you as a core unit have different wallets that you can, you want to, report and bring transparency up to date, then you can add them under your account. So again, you go to Markdown and you see the values available for the aforementioned periods with the SES view and strategic finance view. And once that's done, clearly you go to the API section here, and the tool will update to the API the latest statements. And once you're done, click delete and you are done. And with this, we finish our demo. Thank you very much.